You got better when you made me admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best, I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing amazing. I'm doing pretty good. Let's jump into today's install and review. Today's hair sponsor, Unice Hair. They have beautiful wigs, beginner friendly. You don't have to do anything. You take it out of the box, put her on, and you go. I have installed a 24-inch 7x5 HD lace, pre-plucked, pre-everything, ready to wear. And it also has a little drawstring that you can pull and secure so you can wear this wig 100% glueless.
Giving you the credit you deserve cause it's overdue. You got better when you made me admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best, I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes.
Look how beautiful she is. We love a pre-everything wig, but before we start securing her down, I want to show you guys what it looks like fresh out of the box, because it wouldn't be a Caviar Kez review without me showing you what the lace is saying. Let's just put it on. I'm going to be tinting it, I just know it, but like I said, we need to know what you're getting fresh out of the box. Maybe I don't need to do anything. I don't know. Okay. Okay, no, the baby hair is a bit much, but this is what they've done for me. They said, Kez, you're not working today, okay, honey? We don't want you to lift a finger, and I appreciate you guys, and that's why I love me some Unice hair. But we can do a little something on the lace, so I'm gonna take it off. When in doubt, just use your little DIY spray, little spray bottle with your favorite foundation and some rubbing alcohol, and that's it. And you shake it and you'll have this for months. So I'm gonna shake and spray. It doesn't need a lot, so I'm not putting a lot, a little more. We're keeping this glueless for now, and because we're doing that, I'm gonna adjust the strap. She's definitely on there snug. Those baby hairs are something, aren't they? I'm really tempted, guys, to cut it a little bit. I'm really tempted. Like, I just feel like something is just telling me, like, just go in a little bit. Like, and look how cute this little brush is. They thought of everything. When your brush head gets dirty, child, you just take it off. That's genius, okay? And they give you an extra one too. We love that. We're gonna just cut the baby hairs down to where we feel comfortable. That might be different for everyone. It's better that they give you too much hair than not enough hair. So for the girlies who love a lot of intense baby hairs, they definitely got you covered there. Okay, so the mousse is not going to actually seal anything in. It's just going to blend it in, right? So it might press it down a little bit, but it's not gonna really give me much of a hold. That, I think I'm gonna go in with some lace melting spray from Lace Lineage Hair for the baby hairs. They're already pre-done, so I'm just touching it up. I love using my melting spray to do my baby hairs. It works really well for that. You spray, hold, and mold. I'm gonna just pluck a few hairs just right here. You don't have to. A few little customizations, it's really gonna transform it to like where it's looking like this is your hair. It's growing from your own scalp. We're doing it glueless, so I'm gonna go ahead and just tie it tight and give myself a migraine. Okay guys, it's been about, I don't know, at least 5 minutes, okay? Been 5 minutes. I have a migraine, so I'm taking this off. let's see what we got. Beautiful hairline, because did you expect anything less? I know I didn't. Okay, I did, while I was away, spray her down a little bit. Up here is pretty much dry. Like, the curls are beautiful and it's fluffy. Water wave, you put some water in, it's going to wave, girl. It's just that simple. You don't need to do too much. You don't need all of the XYZ products. Sometimes just water is enough. When your hair is dirty and has a lot of buildup, then yeah, go in with some conditioner or put conditioner water. But the curls are actually very soft and I don't think it needs anything else other than water. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? But that's it. That's the install. You might as well just go on to Unice Hair and buy it. You don't even need to see the rest. It's gorgeous. It's gonna be a 10, but come back anyway. Alright guys, my final thoughts on this wig. Absolutely beautiful. I haven't even gotten to all the different styles, but just based on this alone, absolutely adore. You know, they keep coming out with bangers and I love the drawstring feature, but most importantly, what I love about this wig is the density, the texture, the look, and the overall feel, which is everything. I know, I said what I love most. I love it all. Every single ounce of this unit is a bit of Kaz, okay? This is in the density 150%, and I don't know, it's giving me a little more, but we love a full wig. So overall, I'm obsessed with this unit. I didn't completely do a wet down, but I did enough of a wet down that you can kind of see what the curls will look like after it's reformed, and it's beautiful. Look at the ends, how full and fluffy this is. This is a big body. Like, oh my God, you guys, the curls are so soft, just gorgeous. I'm gonna show you guys a few different styles before we go. And let me know your final thoughts on this unit. If this is something that you might be interested in, of course, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. And if there's a discount code, don't forget to check that out before you go. Let's do a little flip over action. Wow. We want to hide this little part here, so I'm gonna take some of that hair right here and kind of push it forward, because remember, she's not a frontal. Nobody has to know that, right? Get some lace melt spray. Thank you. What do we think of the flip over? Gorge. Look at that big body. You're not missing a frontal because it's giving frontal, okay? You really don't need it at all. Wow. Okay, and this is what it's looking like from the back. And don't forget, it has that little drawstring feature. Because that 7x5 lace space is pretty massive. It is a closure wig, so I don't have a whole lot of hair to be wrapped in this section here because we have limited amount of space that we can take hair from. I don't know how I feel about this little piece. I kind of wish I didn't leave it there. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.